Hello, my name is Kenzie from 7C, and I'll be showing you guys how to use a deodorant. But first, let me tell you what is a deodorant. A deodorant is a product where you apply to your body, usually your armpits, to help prevent or to reduce body odor. How to use it? First, shake the deodorant spray. Then, make sure your armpits are clean and dry. Next, hold the deodorant a short distance away from your armpit and spray for about 1 to 2 seconds on each side. After that, you are ready to continue your daily activity feeling fresh and confident. Using a deodorant has many benefits. It helps reducing body odor and keep your body fresh and clean. Here are some tips when using a deodorant. Do not spray too much deodorant on your body. Avoid using it on irritated skin and use it after taking a bath for a better result. And that's how you use a deodorant. Thank you for watching. Bye.